Howdy everyone. Alright, just real quick, now that I have the canopy upside down, I can explain a little bit what I was talking about earlier. So on the side skirts here, on the outside, of course I put the vinyl and then I wrap it around, and you can see here what I mean by having it wrapped around the edge, and it just comes down on the inside up to this flange right here. And I'm going to do the same thing on the back part. So this is the aft curve of the canopy. This is my target strip. So the vinyl comes across the target strip, wraps around, and it stops right here at the edge of the canopy. This is the actual canopy plexiglass here. So now I'm going to make another strip to cover up the plastic canopy from this edge back to the flange here that has the bolts through it, just to cover up this right here. So, and those, like I said, that's going to be two pieces. So there's going to be a piece here, and then there'll be a piece on the other side. So that's what I'm going to work on now. And then that will be it for the canopy wrap, as far as I can tell. So, okay, now I'm going to get to work. Talk to you guys later. Howdy everyone. So I just put on the last couple of pieces of vinyl on the inside of my canopy. I doubt that you can tell now that everything's black, but it's just this inner part here that now covers up the edge of the plexiglass. So those are the last couple of pieces I just applied. This one here and the one on the other side. So now the vinyl for the canopy, at least for now, is done. I can't think of any other pieces that I need to do on the canopy as far as vinyl. So this is now done. I'm going to work on potentially getting this canopy put back on the aircraft, and then I'll move on to other things, which I believe will be the canopy or the engine cowling. So that's that for now, at least for wrap. When I get into more of the wrap with the rest of the airplane, I will videotape real time and talk about stuff and go through the processes and things like that. I'm just not comfortable doing it yet because I want to work with it some more first. But in due time, I will have some vinyl wrapping videos coming out. So until then, talk to you guys later. Howdy everyone. You can see that the canopy is now finished, and it is obviously back on the aircraft. This is a semi-temporary installation because I don't plan on taking it off anymore. I don't have any reason that I can think of at the moment to have to remove it again. However, when it comes to transporting the plane to the hangar, I may decide to go ahead and take it off at that point. But for now, it's done. It's in. I got my wires connected, so the LED strip underneath the glare shield is in and operational. I got my two GPS antennas installed on top of the glare shield, and I have those wires run as well. So that, I believe, is now all complete. So the next step is back to the engine cowlings. And the first thing that I'm going to do is start with the hinges that attach to the cowling. The hinges on the firewall are, of course, installed and ready to roll. I just need to work on the hinge that attaches to the cowling. And the first thing that I need to do is pre-bend them to match the bend in these existing hinges. And I have to file a, what do I want to call it? I have to file the knuckles at an angle so that they'll drop inside here cleanly, since this is bent. And I'll get to that. I'll show you that and explain it a little bit later when I actually have it finished. But that's the first thing I'm going to do, is start on those cowling hinges, get them bent, and get the knuckles filed down so that they'll fit really nicely with these. So I'm going to get started on that now, and I'll talk to you guys later.